Hey guys, what's going on? Trying to do my best Peter McKinnon intro there. Hope I did it well. Anyways, so today I got for you guys a tech review. Anybody who knows me knows that I am a musician and I love listening to music. I listen to music all the time. So for like the past 6 months, I've been like, I want a record player, I want a record player, I want a record player. And I put it on my Christmas list and I put a bunch of records on my Christmas list. And Christmas came around, I started getting records, but I got no record player. Come to find out that my wife was going to give me a record player. It just didn't end up, it went like this in the mail. And we ended up having to cancel that order. And then I started researching again. I was like, man, is this really the one that I want? I have a choice now to get something that's different. So I dove even more into my research on which one I wanted to get. And I came back to this one and I looked through the Amazon reviews. And you know how when you look through Amazon reviews, you look at all the good ones, you're like, oh, this is going to be great. And then you look at the 1 stars and you start reading through those and you're like, oh, this is going to be horrible. And I decided to go with my gut is what I ended up going with. And this is what I ended up getting. This is the House of Marley stirred up turntable. Now, it looks awesome. But first, let's check out my video and the specs on this thing. All right, guys, there you have it. So, specs-wise, it's a record player, really. Nothing too impressive there, but how does it hold up? That's the big question. So when I got this, the box was awesome. The packaging is amazing. I mean, this is like it's an Apple product. It's really, really well packaged. I pulled it out and it's very, very sturdy. It does not feel cheap at all. Probably one of my favorite things about it is the aluminum platter that is machined very well. Some comments at Amazon saying that it was really bad, but this thing is just fine. It's a great record player. I mean, it sounds beautiful. It's a warm sound, which I think is what you really want in a record player. Now, I'm not an audiophile by any sense, but I can tell you, this compared to like an Audio-Technica, like a direct drive Audio-Technica, I'm kind of glad I went with this record player, being that it's belt driven. I mean, I think the reason why was just to add a little bit more of the quality of sound in it. And now you can pick between 33 and 45 RPMs. I have a couple 45 RPM records that are like my favorites to listen to because the quality is just awesome. And for those of you who don't know, so 33 RPMs and 45 RPMs is how fast it spins. I think we all get that. But so 33 RPMs is, so it spins slower, meaning that it has more time on it, that you can get more time out of the record, right? And usually means that the audio quality is lower. And 45 RPMs, it spins faster, but it has less time on it, so it gets the more detail in the audio, and that's why I like records at 45. But I digress. I love this record player. It's really good. I do not regret it at all. There's really nothing wrong with it. And here's the big takeaway. I'm doing a new review system. I thought long and hard about this, and I decided that I'm going to do a 5 out of 5 rating system. Why? Well, because that's what I picked. I thought about doing like 5 stars or coming up with my own rating system or doing out of 10, but that's not what it is. I'm giving this record player a 5 out of 5. Now, before you start blowing up my comment section, here's the reason why. Bang for buck. Okay, so for $199, you're getting a good quality, beautifully built record player, one that has good warm sound to it, good build quality. It's sitting right here, so I'm looking at it going, what else do I need to talk about? What else do I need to say? It's just so good. I really enjoy it. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm out of here. It's getting pretty late. If you guys haven't already, go to Twitter, follow me at Crichton Media right here. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and do that little bell thing so that you get notified when I have new videos come out. I'm gonna leave. Or you guys should probably get going. I still don't know how to end these things. I'm just gonna hit the button.